Hello, my musical friends. Today I want to kick off a 4-part video series in which we're going to learn a basic scale that we're going to sing and we're going to play. All of these videos will make great warm-up exercises, but these warm-up exercises developed into what I consider to be great exercises also, improving your musicality. Feel free to pause, get your guitar in tune. All right, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is find a closed position major scale that is 1 octave in length. So we want to start this on a note that is very comfortable for our voice. This is going to be a warm-up exercise, so we want to start where there's no strain or pressure on our voice. I start on this C note. It's on the A string right here, and it's on the 3rd fret right here, so that makes that a C. And because we're warming up, we want it to be very comfortable for our voice, so we are going to start by humming these scales. So if you have a deeper voice, you could start here on a G note, on the E string, the low E string, the 3rd fret, that's a G. So you can start here and do this scale. If you have a higher voice, you can start on a higher G. This is going to be a little bit higher than the C starting point I showed you, and definitely higher than the G starting point I showed you. So here, this is on the D string, and it's on the 5th fret. Makes for a G. And if you have a really high voice, you can start on this C. This is on the G string at the 5th fret. So you've got a deeper voice and you want to start on this G. But maybe that's a little bit too low. You could actually start here, which is an A. Na, 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 na. Now, once you feel warmed up from humming, we can start singing in order to really warm up and develop our voice. Now, what you want to do is find something that, say you heard a song or you're thinking of a song and you don't remember the words, but you kind of sing the melody. Maybe you do a na 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 na, maybe you do a dee 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 dee, do 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 do. Whatever sound you make that's kind of fun and that you like to do. I like to do na. It works really well for me. So let me do the C scale. Na 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 na. 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 Here's the G. Na 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 na. I'm not going to hum or sing the higher scales because they're out of my range. But those of you with higher voices, use the higher scales and hum and sing the way I'm showing you. So the most important thing is to practice this. Start using it as a warm-up. So if you're going to go play with some friends or you're just going to play your guitar and sing a few songs, practice what I'm showing you. Start with the scale and doing some humming, and then do your whatever sound works for you. Like for me is the na, and get to where this becomes pretty easy for you. And remember that this is a warm-up exercise. Allow yourself to sound bad. What'll happen is you may sound a little funny doing this to begin with, but you'll notice that as you progress, when you go and do this as a warm-up and then play with some friends or sing some songs that you like, you're going to find that you're improving. So it makes it well worth it. Now the next video, we're going to start moving things around and making it more interesting and more fun to practice. If you have any questions, or if I've left something out that you need an answer to, leave me a message down in the comments. I will read it and get back to you. Subscribe, and I will see you next time.